Too many people spend money they haven't earned, to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. Will Rogers. The habit of saving is itself an education. It fosters every virtue, teaches self-denial, cultivates the sense of order, trains to forethought, and so broadens the mind. T.T. Munger. Ever felt like you're constantly working but never getting ahead? You're not alone. Sometimes the difference between financial struggle and financial success lies in the seemingly small spending habits we don't even notice. Today, we're diving into 22 common ways people waste money, keeping them from achieving their financial dreams. Are you making any of these mistakes? This list isn't about judgment. It's about helping you see the small changes that can make a massive difference to your financial future. When you know where your money is going, you gain the power to redirect it toward what truly matters. Let's get into it. 1. Brand name groceries. Many store-brand items are just as good as the name brands but cost significantly less. By switching to generic brands, a family of 4 could save an average of $1,500 per year on groceries. 2. Impulse buys at checkout. Items near the checkout are strategically placed to encourage impulsive spending. Imagine picking up a $3 candy bar every time you shop. Over a year, that's $156 on candy alone. 3. Frequent dining out. Eating out is convenient but costly. A simple meal can cost triple what it would if made at home. Swap 2 restaurant meals per week for home-cooked alternatives, and you could save around $1,500 annually. 4. Premium cable packages. Many cable packages offer hundreds of channels you don't even watch. Consider switching to a streaming service or bundle. You could save over $50 a month. 5. Lottery tickets. People spend billions on the lottery yearly, but the odds of winning are extremely slim. Instead of gambling, set aside that money in a savings account. After a year, you'll have something real to show for it. 6. New gadgets and electronics. Constantly upgrading to the latest gadgets can become a costly habit. The difference in performance between last year's model and the newest isn't always noticeable. Wait a year, buy used, or don't upgrade unless it's necessary. 7. Extended warranties. Many stores push extended warranties, but most items don't break within that warranty period. Save that extra cash and build an emergency fund for unexpected repairs instead. 8. Unused gym memberships. If you're not regularly using your gym membership, it's money down the drain. Cancel and explore free home workouts on YouTube, or only pay for gym time when you're committed. 9. Fast fashion purchases. Cheap, trendy clothing may seem like a bargain, but it quickly wears out and needs replacing. Instead of buying trendy items, consider investing in a few quality, timeless pieces that last. 10. Payday loans. These loans have high interest and can trap borrowers in a cycle of debt. Avoid payday loans if possible. Build an emergency fund to avoid needing quick cash loans. 11. Buying bottled water. Bottled water is costly and wasteful. Invest in a quality, reusable water bottle and a home filtration system. 12. Late fees. Late fees are an unnecessary expense that can easily be avoided. Set up automated payments to avoid these small but consistent charges. 13. Fast food and vending machine snacks. Quick snacks add up quickly and often don't provide much nutritional value. Prep snacks in advance to avoid buying overpriced items on the go. Looking for ways to make your money grow instead of wasting it? Check out our video, How to Make Your Money Grow, Tips and Tricks. Link in the description. If you're getting valuable insights from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell. We're here every week with financial tips and tricks to help you on your journey toward financial freedom. 14. Upgrading your car frequently. New cars depreciate rapidly, especially in the first year. Hold on to your car longer and consider buying used for your next purchase. 15. Premium gasoline. Most cars run just fine on regular gas, so there's usually no need to buy premium. Check your owner's manual. If your car doesn't require premium, opt for regular. 16. Rushed online shopping. Buying something without checking reviews or prices can lead to regrettable purchases. Spend time researching purchases to avoid buyer's remorse and save money. 17. Holiday decorations and themed items. Seasonal decorations can be pricey, especially if you buy new ones each year. Try repurposing items or buying quality, reusable decorations to cut down on annual costs. 18. Buying expensive gifts to impress. Buying costly gifts to impress others can lead to regret later. Focus on meaningful, budget-friendly gifts that show thoughtfulness rather than high price tags. 19. Daily coffee runs. The average coffee costs $3, $5 a day. Multiply that by 20 workdays a month, and you're looking at over $1,000 a year on coffee alone. Consider brewing coffee at home instead. Spending $10 a week on quality beans and enjoying it in your favorite mug could save hundreds. 20. Subscription services you don't use. From unused gym memberships to multiple streaming platforms, people often subscribe to services they barely use. Imagine paying for 4 streaming platforms, but only watching one. Cancel the extras, and you could free up at least $30 a month. 21. Brand new cars. Many people buy new cars for the status, but new cars depreciate quickly, losing up to 20% of their value in the first year alone. Instead of spending $30,000 on a brand new model, someone could buy a reliable used car for $15,000 and invest the difference. Over time, that invested money could grow substantially, while the new car continues to lose value. 22. High-interest debt payments. Relying on credit cards for small purchases can quickly lead to high-interest debt that eats away at income. For instance, carrying a $5,000 balance on a credit card with a 20% interest rate costs over $1,000 in interest per year. Avoiding credit card debt by using cash or debit for non-essentials prevents the trap of paying more than the item's value due to interest charges. If you've made it this far, you now have the knowledge to avoid 22 common money traps. From daily coffee runs to costly memberships, these little expenses add up and can prevent you from reaching your financial goals. So take control, make smarter spending decisions, and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Curious to learn more about avoiding money pitfalls? Stay tuned for our next video, Don't Make These Money Mistakes, where we'll cover the most common financial errors and how you can avoid them. These simple changes can help you save and grow your wealth faster than ever. Remember, hitting subscribe means you won't miss out on more valuable tips that can help you transform your financial life. Click the notification bell to join our community of future financial achievers. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consider your individual financial situation and consult a qualified advisor for personalized guidance.